In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for newsletters. We'll walk through the full process of creating and sending a simple newsletter, starting from the Mailchimp dashboard and ending with your email on its way to your subscribers. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and find the section labeled Campaigns. Click on that. In the Campaigns area, go to the top right corner and click the Create button. The page will reload, and on the left side, you'll see different types of campaigns you can create, such as email, automations, and landing pages. For a newsletter, choose Email. When you click Email, it will expand and show three options: Regular, Plain Text, and Template. For this walkthrough, select Regular Email. On the right side, you'll be asked to add an internal name for your email. This is just for your own reference, so choose something that helps you recognize this campaign later. Then click Begin and wait for the page to load. A pop-up will appear offering different ways to start your email design. You can use saved templates, fully designed templates, basic layouts, start from scratch, use custom HTML, or reuse a recent email template. To keep things simple, choose Basic Layout. The page will reload and show a set of basic layout templates. Browse through them, and once you find one that suits your newsletter, hover over it and click Apply. The editor will open with that layout. Inside the editor, you'll see your email template on the right and a panel on the left with content blocks. Here you can drag and drop blocks like text, images, buttons, and columns onto your template. You'll also see a Styles section on the left. Clicking this lets you adjust the overall design, such as background color, text styles, link colors, and button or divider styles. To edit any existing block, simply click on it in the preview. Its settings will appear on the left with tabs like Content, Styles, Visibility, or Code. Use these options to customize text, replace images, adjust spacing, and more. When a block is selected, you'll also see small icons that let you move, duplicate, or delete that block, which is helpful for fine-tuning your layout. Once you're done editing your design, go to the top right and click Save and Exit. After the page reloads, you'll see a summary of your email. Here you can review and complete the key details: who the email is going to, who it's from, the subject line, the send time, and the content. If anything is missing or needs changing, click on that section to update it. When everything looks correct, click the Send button in the top right. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Choose Send Now to finalize. The page will reload and display a confirmation message letting you know that your email is sending, along with some details about the campaign. And that's it. You've just created and sent a newsletter using Mailchimp.